Welcome to Health Miracles. Did you know that your kidneys play a crucial role in your overall health? These unsung heroes work tirelessly to filter toxins from your blood, regulate fluid levels, and keep your body in balance. Yet, millions of people worldwide unknowingly put their kidneys at risk every day due to common habits. Today, we embark on a journey to uncover the 11 everyday habits that could be quietly wreaking havoc on your kidneys. From holding in your pee to indulging in processed foods, each habit has the potential to harm these vital organs. But fear not. Armed with knowledge and simple lifestyle changes, we can protect our kidneys and pave the way for a healthier future. So, join us as we delve into the realm of kidney health, discover the secrets to safeguarding these essential organs, and embark on a path towards wellness. Welcome aboard, and let's unlock the potential for health miracles together. Top 11 Worst Daily Habits That Are Destroying Your Kidneys. This isn't a minor health issue. Kidney disease can seriously affect various parts of your body, including your heart, bones, and brain. Unfortunately, advanced kidney disease may lead to the need for dialysis or a kidney transplant. Many common habits, things we do every day without thinking, can harm these vital organs. Today, we'll look at 11 everyday habits that put your kidneys at risk and discuss how to stop the damage before it's too late. Let's get started. 1. Holding in your pee. Ever find yourself postponing a bathroom break due to a busy schedule? It's a common habit, but one that can have consequences for kidney health. Ignoring the need to urinate can create conditions conducive to bacterial growth and urinary tract infections, which can ultimately affect the kidneys. To prevent such infections, it's important to listen to your body's signals and make a point of using the restroom every few hours, ensuring the bladder is fully emptied. 2. Not getting enough sleep. The connection between sleep and kidney health might not be immediately apparent, but it's significant. The kidneys operate on a circadian rhythm, slowing down during sleep and becoming more active upon waking. Disrupting this natural pattern with inadequate sleep can impede kidney function. Adults should aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night, establishing a consistent sleep schedule and creating a conducive environment for rest to support kidney health. 3. Eating too much salt. Do you love salty snacks a bit too much? Well, consuming too much salt isn't great for your kidneys. When you eat too much salt, your kidneys have to work harder to get rid of it. Over time, this can lead to problems like high blood pressure and kidney damage. It's important to watch your salt intake and try to limit it to keep your kidneys healthy. 4. Eating lots of meat. Are you a big fan of meaty meals? While meat can be tasty, eating too much of it might not be good for your kidneys. When you eat a lot of meat, your kidneys have to work harder to process all the protein and other stuff in it. Overloading your kidneys with too much meat can strain them and increase the risk of kidney problems down the road. It's good to enjoy meat in moderation and balance it with other healthy foods for better kidney health. 5. Using painkillers too much. Do you rely on over-the-counter pain meds like NSAIDs to manage discomfort? It's a common approach, but there's a downside you might not know about. These meds can actually harm your kidneys, especially if you use them a lot or in high amounts. They can reduce blood flow to the kidneys and cause inflammation and scarring. To protect your kidneys, it's important to use these painkillers sparingly and only as directed. If you deal with chronic pain, exploring other treatments like physical therapy or acupuncture could be better for your kidney health. 6. Not moving enough. Do you find yourself sitting more than moving? Well, that lack of physical activity isn't just bad for your overall health, it's not great for your kidneys either. Regular exercise is super important for keeping your kidneys healthy and reducing the risk of problems like obesity, diabetes, and high blood pressure, which can all harm your kidneys. Try to get at least 150 minutes of exercise each week, combining activities that get your heart pumping and strengthen your muscles. 7. Smoking. Do you smoke cigarettes? If so, you might not realize how much it's hurting your kidneys. Smoking can damage your kidneys by narrowing blood vessels, which reduces blood flow and makes it harder for your kidneys to clean your blood. Plus, smoking increases your chances of getting kidney cancer. Quitting smoking is one of the best things you can do for your kidney health, and your overall health too. 8. Not drinking enough water. Do you often forget to drink water throughout the day? Well, your kidneys might not be too happy about it. Staying hydrated is really important for your kidneys because water helps flush out toxins and waste from your body. If you don't drink enough water, you could be more likely to develop kidney stones. Most people should aim to drink about 1.5 to 2 liters of water each day. But remember, try to avoid drinks like coffee, alcohol, or sugary beverages because they can actually make you more dehydrated. 9. Eating too many processed foods. Do you find yourself reaching for processed snacks and meals often? While they might be convenient, they're not doing your kidneys any favors. Processed foods are usually packed with sodium and phosphorus, which can be really bad for your kidneys. Too much phosphorus especially has been linked to kidney damage. To take better care of your kidneys, try to avoid processed foods and choose whole, unprocessed foods instead. 10. Drinking too much alcohol. Enjoying a drink now and then is fine, but going overboard can put a strain on your kidneys. When you drink too much, your kidneys have to work harder to balance fluids and process the extra waste from alcohol breakdown. Following recommended alcohol limits helps keep your kidneys from getting overloaded. 11. Ignoring regular health checkups. Do you tend to skip your regular health checkups? While it may seem harmless, neglecting these appointments can actually harm your kidneys. Regular checkups allow healthcare professionals to monitor your kidney function and catch any potential issues early on. By skipping these appointments, you could be missing crucial opportunities to detect kidney problems before they escalate. Make sure to prioritize your health by scheduling and attending regular checkups with your doctor to keep your kidneys in tip-top shape. Taking care of your kidneys means being mindful of these habits. The choices we make every day can really affect our kidney health. Remember, it's better to prevent kidney problems than to deal with them later. Have you ever thought about how your habits might affect your kidneys? Share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation about kidney health going. And always remember to watch out for those unsung heroes of our bodies, the kidneys. Thanks for watching and joining us on this journey to discover the habits that can impact your kidney health. Remember, taking care of your kidneys is essential for your overall well-being. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and insights to help you live your best life.